everybody, what is going on? My name is Patrick and I will be doing some beard reviews and such. Fairly new to the game. I've been watching a bunch of review videos and there's a bunch of them out there, so hopefully I can kind of get my own little unique personal style. I'm going to do a couple shout outs first to Dancy Bearded, Beard Times with Scott, Beard Tube, Scuba, No BS Beard Reviews, and of course the Luxurious Bastard, Blessed Beardsman. I've been watching these guys for a few months now, and they know what they're doing, and I've been taking notes, mental notes. It's going to be hard to compete with these guys, but them guys, all you guys are kind of my inspiration for doing this, and hopefully I do a good job. A little bit about myself. 38, I have 3 kids, live in Ohio. I've been growing my beard for about 8 months now. Pretty much live a pretty quiet life, work as a security guard, and like now I have probably more product than the wife does for her hair. But anyway, this is my first video, so hopefully it's a good one. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. I'll leave all these guys' links in the description below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. This will be my first video, and I got a review to do too. Figured I'd kick things off. I'm going to be reviewing today Northern Beards. I was surfing around on Amazon and I came across this, and I said, you know, what the heck, might as well try it. It's a pretty good kit. Normal price is $29.95, unscented. You get a board brush. This is the one I've actually been using, and it does really well on the beard. You got the beard balm. The ingredients on this is shea butter, argan oil, jojoba oil, beeswax, cedar fir, vetiver essential oil. I think I pronounced that right. I used this a couple times, and I would say it's a medium to firm hold. I kind of wish there's a scent to it, but I got beard oils for that. Also, that comes in this little kit is a fold-out comb. This has actually been my go-to. Also, little brand on the front there. It's a pretty good comb. It's pretty sturdily made. It's well made, I should say. Moving along, got a tiny pair of trimming scissors. I don't know if I would probably use these, but you know, they were in the kit. Finally, the beard oil. I like the gold. I'm filming with the GoPro 4. I apologize if the video sucks. It's got a gold color to it, and it's pretty cool looking. But I can't really read the ingredients in here, but I'll leave them down in the description below. But for what I paid for this kit, it was pretty awesome. You get a nice little case with it. It fits everything pretty nice. Got a little magnetized lid. And also, that day I purchased, if you don't have one of these, you gotta get one. This is the first time, when I first got this, the first time I used the Kent comb, and I won't leave the house without this now. They're awesome. It's awesome products. But the oil, the consistency of it. Let's see if you can get this on here. The consistency, it's not too bad, but it don't leave your beard greasy or nothing. It works pretty well. Like I said, I use these every day. It does pretty pretty good. It goes through the beard smooth. But overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I would rate this probably about an 8. Obviously, because of the unscented, I didn't realize it was unscented until I got it. Other than that, I would definitely recommend this product. Let me know in the comments below, how do you think I did on this review? What do I need to do? What do I need to mention? As you can tell in my voice, I'm just a little nervous. But I wanted to get this review out pretty quick, just to get a feel for things. If you noticed, also in the background, I've been a firefighter about 15 years and going. I absolutely love it. Just the fact of helping people, it's an amazing feeling, and it's just, there's no other feeling like it in the world. I'm strictly volunteer, so it's just something I'm going to be doing for the rest of my life. But other than that, let me know how I did. I know it's a quick video. I figured I'd just throw it up real quick to see what you guys thought. Let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe if you like the content, if I did good, if you want to see more of this. Follow me on Instagram. Other than that, I'll see you guys later.